Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, infinitely compassionate and the most merciful. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge, and the topic that we are going to study is synonyms. Synonyms mean hammani alfaz, alfaz mutradif. Let's study the topic. Our first word is thrive, palna phulna. It means prosper, flourish. Synonyms are prosper, flourish. पलना फूलना मीन बिजनेस के बारे में हम कह सकते हैं that business is flourishing, thrive of business. Our next word is good, अच्छा, नेक. Synonyms are virtuous, upright, straightforward. Next word is grand, बहुत बड़ा, अजीम, आलिशान. The synonyms are splendid, magnificent. Grand ceremony will be held tomorrow. Grand party will be held tomorrow. Our next word is joy, खुशी, मुसरत, निशात. And the synonyms are happiness, prayer, mirth. Next word is limit, महदूद, हदबंदी करना. And the synonyms are confine, restrict. Injure, ज़ख्मी करना, नुकसान पहुंचाना. The synonyms are hurt, harm. Next word is mute, खामोश, गूंगा. The synonyms are dumb, silent. Next word is reveal, ज़ाहिर करना, मुनकशिफ करना. Synonyms are disclose, divulge. We also can say it divulge. Next word is catch, पकड़ना, गिरफ्तार करना. Capture, seize, clasp. All these are synonyms. Next word is choose, चुनना, मुंतखब करना. And the synonyms are select, elect, designate. Next word is exceed, बढ़ना, सबकत ले जाना, बरतरी हासिल करना. Synonyms are excel, surpass, आगे बढ़ना, आगे की तरफ जाना, सबकत ले जाना. Next word is fight, लड़ना, जंग करना, लड़ाई करना. Battle, contest, dispute, war. All these are synonyms of fight. And the next word is fatal, मोहलक, मूजी, हिलाकत हेज. The synonyms are deadly, noxious, dangerous. Next word is emotion, जज्बा, एहसास, वलवला, शौक. And the synonyms are feeling, passion. Next word is dull, उदास, मगमूम, फीका. And the synonyms are gloomy, dreary. Our next word is eager, mushtaq, mustarib, purjosh. The synonyms are keen, anxious. Next word is adore, बड़ी अकीदत से परस्तिश या इबादत करना. The synonyms are worship, idolize. Our next word is bear, बर्दाश्त करना. The synonyms are endure, tolerate. Next word is blame, इल्ज़ाम या तोहमत लगाना, कसूरवार ठहराना. Synonyms are censure, reproof. Our next word is answer, जवाब देना. The synonyms are reply, respond someone, reply someone. Our next word is behavior, रवैया. The synonyms are conduct, manners. Next word is beautiful, खूबसूरत. The synonyms are lovely, pretty, splendid. Our next word is abundant. Abundant means दस्तबरदार होना, साथ छोड़ना. Desert, leave, desolate. And the next word is abundant. First one was abundant and this one abundant. Abundant means कसीर, वाफर. कसीर तादाद में, वाफर मिकदार, बहुत सा. The synonyms are plentiful, ample, overflowing, bountiful. Next word is begin, शुरू करना, आगाज़ करना. Commence, start. Commence, start are the synonym of begin. Bad, बुरा, बद. The synonyms are evil, wicked. बुरा, बद mean जो अच्छा ना हो. Evil, wicked. Our next word is busy, मसरूफ़. The synonyms are active, alert, diligent. He is an active, alert, diligent person. Next word is cause, wajah, reason. Next word is common, ordinary. Synonym is ordinary. The next one is calm, sanjida. The synonyms are quiet, peaceful. Quiet mean sanjida. There is no quiet, Quite. That quiet mean is खामोश. Our next word is confess, इकरार करना, एतराफ़ करना. Admit, acknowledge. We can say admit, acknowledge or confess your conspiracy. यानी अपने जुर्म का एतराफ़ करो. Our next word is decide, फैसला करना, इरादा करना. Determine, resolve. We can say determine your destination. Decide, resolve. Our next word is decrease, कम करना, घटाना. Reduce, lessens are the synonyms of decrease. We can say that decrease or reduce the weight of this sack. Sack mean थैला या बोरी. Next word is disaster, tabahi, barbadi. Synonyms are calamity, adversity. We can say these disasters are happened by earthquake. Or we can say this disaster or calamity caused by flood. Our next word is disease, bimari, arza. Synonyms are illness, malady. We can say she is or he is suffering from a fatal disease. He has a fatal disease. Next word is disorder, betartibi, bechani. The synonyms are confusion, chaos. We can say she has mental disorder. Or we can say this child has mental disorder. Next word is earn, kamana, hasil karna. Gain, achieve, get money. We can say earn or get respect, achieve success, gain your goal. Next word is educate, तालीम देना, पढ़ाना. Synonyms are teach, train. We can say to educate someone, teach someone, train someone. Coming word is eccentric, mean ajeeb. The synonyms are strange, queer. Next word is entire, मुकम्मल, पूरा, सारे का सारा. Synonyms are whole, total, complete. We can say that Allah is the supreme owner of entire universe, whole universe. Our coming word is eradicate, तल्फ करना, निकालना, बेखनी करना. The synonyms are eliminate, destroy. Coming word is excuse, mazrat, maafi. Synonyms are pardon, forgive. Please excuse me, pardon me, forgive me. Next word is fault, nuks, khami. The synonyms are error, mistake. Next word is fond, shahik, dildada. The synonyms are loving, crazy, crazy about something. He is fond of cooking. She is fond of books. Next word is hard, sakht, mushkil. Synonyms are difficult, tough. We can say because of COVID-19, whole world had a hard, a difficult, a tough time. Help each other in difficult, tough or hard time. Next word is haste, jaldi, tezi. Synonyms are hurry, speed. Next word is hate, nafrat. Synonyms are scorn, dislike. Next word is high, uncha, buland, lamba. The synonyms of high is tall, lofty. Next word is hinder, rokna, aade aana. Synonyms are prevent, obstruct. The hinder is from hindrance. Hindrance means muzahmat karna, rokna, muzahmat, रुकावट. Next word is lonely, tanhai. Synonym is solitary, loneliness. Next word is love, mohabbat, pyar. The synonyms are affection, fondness, liking. Next word is join, milna, muthid hona. The synonyms are unite, combine, put together. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share the video.